Why do 80% of tech enthusiasts love AI tools? Because they're game-changing. Let's check out the hottest updates in 2024. First up, we've got Smart Compose 2.0. This tool takes predictive text to a whole new level, making your emails and documents practically write themselves. Imagine typing half a sentence and having the AI finish it perfectly. Mind-blowing, right? Next, meet Vision Pro AI. It's a visual recognition tool that's now 30% faster and twice as accurate. Whether you're identifying objects or analyzing images, Vision Pro AI has got you covered. Now, let's talk about Voice Synth 4. This tool can mimic any voice with uncanny precision. Need Morgan Freeman to narrate your life? Voice Synth's got you. And finally, Data Wiz. Analyzing massive data sets has never been easier. With enhanced algorithms, it's like having a personal data scientist at your fingertips. So there you have it. The top AI tools updated for 2024. Which one are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below. Stay tuned for more tech updates. Bye for now.